If you have ever looked at someone doing muscle-ups, human flags, or one-arm pull-ups and thought, yeah, right, I can barely get off the couch, then stop right here. This video is not just for you, it is about you. Because somewhere between the fitness influencers doing backflips on bars and the average person just trying to tie their shoes without holding their breath, there is a question no one's answering honestly. Can I be overweight and still crush calisthenics? Stick around because what you are about to learn might flip your mindset completely. Point 1. The myth of the calisthenics body. Let's start with a lie. You must be shredded to start calisthenics. False. Straight up fitness propaganda. Calisthenics is not about how you look. It is about what your body can do. Your body weight is not a roadblock. It is just the tool you are training with. And tools come in all shapes and sizes. Think about it. Would you tell someone with a larger car they cannot drive because it weighs more? Of course not. You learn to control it. It's the same thing here. But what if I told you that being heavier might give you one advantage most lean athletes lack? Point 2. Strength is already in you. Here is the truth. No one says. Heavier bodies build strength faster initially. Why? Because every single rep is resistance training. Getting up from the floor? That is a squat. Pushing off a couch? That is a press. You have already been lifting, you did not realize it. So if you are starting calisthenics with extra weight, you are not behind. You have just been unknowingly doing weighted training. All we need now is direction. Point 3. Start with gravity on your side. You do not start by trying to do a pull-up on day 1. That is like trying to do stand-up at Madison Square Garden after one open mic. Instead, we flip the game. Incline push-ups, wall sits, resistance band rows, movements that work with gravity instead of against it. Also, let's be real. If you try to hang on a bar after 3 tacos and a Red Bull, you might orbit the earth. So let's start smarter, not harder. Point 4. The real enemy is not weight. It is doubt. Most people quit before they begin, not because they are too heavy, but because they think they do not belong in that world. Let me ask you, who decided that calisthenics was only for lean, shirtless dudes in Venice Beach? The bar does not care what you weigh. It just asks one thing. Will you try again tomorrow? And what if trying again tomorrow led to something even more significant than muscle? Point 5. Confidence is the ultimate flex. When you train your body, you are also training your mind. You are learning to believe in effort over image. Each modified push-up becomes a reminder. Hey, I did that. That mental win? That is the fundamental transformation. It is not about fitting into a mold. It is about breaking one and replacing it with your own. Your journey starts now. So can you do calisthenics if you are fat? Yes. And not just do it, own it. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. That is not just a motivational quote. That is the blueprint. And here is the deal. Do not chase perfect. Chase progress. In the following video, I will show you the beginner calisthenics routine for bigger bodies. 0 equipment, 0 shame. Hit that subscribe button so you do not miss what could be the start of your strongest chapter yet.